One last thing before you jump right into DesignoPro 2.0. We've decided to do something we have never done before, and you need to pay close attention. We've decided to let you sell DesignoPro 2.0 and keep 100% profits for yourself. On this page only, you can get an agency license to DesignoPro, which means you will keep 100% of what customers pay you, and then you just create a DesignoPro account for them. Not just that, you can use all our marketing pages, our amazing high-converting videos and our sales copy to make all your sales. We've spent thousands of dollars in making our marketing pages perfect, and we're letting you use them to make profits and keep it all for yourself. Oh, and the best part is, we take care of all the support. You don't have to do anything, just collect your 100% profit and find a way to spend it. Nothing to create, configure or support. Marketing pages included. Sales videos included. Members area included. We've already done the hard work for you. This is an amazing opportunity for you. If you do not have a product you sell online, or even if you do, this is 100% profit for you. So jump on this offer before we come back to our senses and take it down, because we have spent over $9,000 in creating this software and marketing sales page. And we're giving you the unique opportunity to make a lot of money from this. This is your only chance. This is possibly your only chance to become an agency reseller, so click the button below and turn on the unlimited profit machine for yourself. You may never see this offer again, so take action now. Frequently asked questions. Who takes care of support? We do. Your only job is to create your client's account inside the platform once you've collected the payment from them. Am I getting 100% of the sale? Yes, we're not taking a percentage out of your sale, which means once you've got the agency license, every sale you make is pure profit. When can I start selling? As soon as the official 2.0 launch is finished, on January 10th. What price can I sell DesignoPro 2.0 at? You can go as high as you can, and in fact you can easily sell this for hundreds of dollars or even for a monthly fee, but you can't give it away for free or sell it at a price lower than $30. What if I need more client accounts? Simple, just come back to this page and buy another package. Am I able to sell any of the upgrades as well? You're only able to create client accounts for the regular version, and you get the sales page to upload and configure as your own for that regular version only.